Facing the couldn't link device, try again later error on WhatsApp for your Android phone. Don't worry, this error is easy to fix. It's often caused by network or compatibility issues or even a problem with the app itself. With my simple solutions, you'll have it sorted out in no time. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Give all permissions. Sometimes this error pops up when WhatsApp doesn't have permissions to access some of your phone's features. To fix it, tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp settings. After that, go to permissions and make sure all the permissions are given to WhatsApp. For example, the music and audio permissions, location permissions, phone permissions, and so on. After that, go back and see if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache. Corrupt cache can sometimes cause this issue, so if you clear it, your problem should be fixed. To do this, tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp app settings. Now find the option called storage and tap on it. After that, tap clear cache. You'll completely close WhatsApp and restart your phone. After the restart, check if this fixed your issue or not. Solution 3. Update WhatsApp. Go to Play Store. Search WhatsApp. But make sure that your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. If you see any updates available, simply update the app. After the update, your problem should be fixed. But if it still doesn't get fixed, try the last solution. Solution 4. Reinstall WhatsApp. Tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap on uninstall. After that, confirm the uninstallation. Then go to the Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Install it from there. After reinstallation, open WhatsApp with your credentials. And hopefully, this time your problem should be fixed. That's how you can fix the couldn't link device error on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. I'll catch you in the next one.